fix Google Nest doorbell camera keeps going offline. So there are a few common reasons on why this is happening. Either the device itself is having a few problems, in that case you reset by the way, or it is your network connection. So first, since it's easier, you're gonna make sure to check your Wi-Fi or signal strength first. So you can do this by opening the Google app or the Nest app, or if you do have an app connected to this, make sure the signal strength is good. If it does show weak, then your doorbell may disconnect often. So move your router closer to the doorbell itself and remove objects blocking the signal, since this can happen apparently. Or use a Wi-Fi extender if you have that in your possession. You can also restart your router as well. So to restart your router, just unplug it or turn it off for 30 seconds and then plug it back in with a full minute or 2 minutes, depends on you, anything around that, for Wi-Fi to fully stabilize. You can also go ahead and try restarting the doorbell itself, which usually works for multiple users. So to reset the actual doorbell, you're gonna need a few tools. Actually, just two. One of these is something with a flat head over here, like a flat driver, or something like this. They should provide you with a flat key in your box, so take a look at that. But once you have these tools ready, oh, I mean a pin as well, or anything that can fit in a tiny small hole. You're gonna need this flathead so that you can remove the actual device from the wall. It's gonna look like this if you have it in your wall. So once you do, use the flat driver or anything flat to pluck it off the wall, which should be in the top over here. It's gonna be removed from the device. Here it looks like the metal back thing got removed, but it's the device that got removed from this thing. So it's going that way, as you can see. But as long as you get access to this over here, which is the reset pinhole. So once you have access to that little pinhole, all you have to do right now is to just get something small like a little pin. If you can find it over here, as you can see. So we have a little pin over here. Let's just get rid of some of these stuff. So this little pin will serve as the poking hole for this little reset hole over here. So just go ahead and form it as a straight line, not like this one. Since this is harder, make it go like this. Not like that, something straighter. Like that. But anyways, once you do have it like that, poke it in this little hole. It should fit. Most pins should fit on that hole over there. Then just push it in or inside towards 5 seconds. Once it goes to 5 seconds, there's gonna be a white light that will appear here. Once you see that, then you have resetted the Google doorbell successfully. And then in that case, make sure you stop poking the hole, since if you do it for longer, it's gonna do a factory reset. If you do that, then you're gonna have to do lots of things over again. But once you reset, you can go ahead and try it again to see if the doorbell itself still goes offline. But those are a few options you can try and do to see if it helps you with the problem. But if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.